What if I told you that you can recreate a successful YouTube channel without copying a single video? This is possible now, and how people are building YouTube channel very quickly by cloning what already works. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can clone a perfect YouTube channel in just few minutes. So for that, what you will do, first of all, search in a Google NotebookLM and then click on the first option and then click on try NotebookLM. So when you click on that, now you can see there is multiple options over there, but click on create new notebook. So now you can see there is multiple options. Search below the search bar, there is upload file, website, and drive, also copy text, and above this there is a search bar, so you can write anything that you want. But for now we are going to clone YouTube channel, so we will click on YouTube website. So now you can see there is an option where we will paste the link of YouTube channel that we are going to clone. So for that, just open YouTube, and for example we are going to copy this one. We are going to make a clone of this channel, so we will copy a video, the link of the video. So just click on this and then share and then copy the link. Simply get back to NotebookLM and paste it here and then insert, and just 1 or 2 seconds it will get added to NotebookLM, and you will repeat the same process for another video. For example, I'm going to copy this one, so I will do the same, paste link and then submit, and just 1 second or 2 second video will get added to NotebookLM. And according to that, you can see NotebookLM is also creating a summary, or you can say precise information for me to summarize which type of video I'm going to add and which type of information is available over there. After copying 2 videos from YouTube channel to make a clone of that, if you think that it's not sufficient, obviously it's not enough. So what we will do, we will get back to YouTube channel that we are going to clone. And for us it's really difficult to copy one by one link and then add here to NotebookLM. So it's really difficult because there is around 1200 videos uploaded. So what we will do for that, we will follow a very short and precise way. So we will search in a Google, grab it, and we will download that extension. Okay, so just do it and click on the first option. When you click on that, there is option add Chrome. So click on this option, add to Chrome, and in just few seconds it will get added. And then click on the bottom, there is option add new action, so click on this. And I will do a little bit setting here that are required for a perfect process, so I will do that here. And now you can see there is another thing that I will do. I will proceed with NotebookLM as well, and simply click add to Chrome. So it will take a while and it will get added. Simply copy all the information of the videos just like this from the top to the bottom. So with this extension you can copy all the URL and put all this information in NotebookLM. Simply go back to NotebookLM. You can add to the left panel here that you already did. I will show you another very easy way that how you can do it. Simply click on a video and click on share and copy the link, so it will get added. So you can do it for all videos that you wanna include in your process, just like this. And get back to NotebookLM, and window, you can press window plus V, so it will get add here. So you can proceed, and just few seconds it will get added. Okay, so you can do one by one for each one. So it's really simple and you can do this in just few seconds. Now you can see your all video, or you can say videos that you want to include that are added in a NotebookLM. So there is also an option that If the video that you are not going to add in a process, so simply unselect that, and it will not be the part of this process. So videos are added here. Now you can ask anything about this. For example, I will ask that video editing style of this YouTube channel. So I will write here and then submit this. So now NotebookLM will elaborate that what are editing style this YouTube channel is using. So now you can see everything about this channel is just right here, and you can also talk to NotebookLM and you can ask anything about this. So they will elaborate everything that is the part of this YouTube channel. So I will write here topic selection of this creator. So now you can see NotebookLM will tell me. You can ask anything that you want to know, which type of information is in your mind, which type of questions do you want to ask. You can simply write here, and now you just uploaded all the information of YouTube channel. So NotebookLM will answer your questions. Beside all these, on the right side there is multiple options that you have. You can do some more creative things. For example, I am going to click on audio overview. I need audio overview. So you also have option of video overview, mind map, infographics. So I am going to create audio overview of this YouTube channel. So I clicked on that, and it will take a while, and just few seconds it will get ready. Beside that, I will also click on video overview. So when I click on that, beside audio overview, they will also start creating video overview of this YouTube channel. So again, it will take a while, and video overview, audio overview, both will get ready. So I will click on the audio overview, so you can see it's ready. So now you have around 14-minute audio overview of this YouTube channel. These are information that can help you to understand everything about this channel.
You want that financial freedom, right? You want to build a side business that gives you control.
So now you can see our video overview is also ready. I will click on that. So it will take a while and it will get played. So yeah, you can see now. The topic of this was the entrepreneur guide. So now you can see around 6-minute video overview is ready. So these are also precise information when it comes to this channel. So you can use it for a better understanding.
So what does it actually mean to be free as an entrepreneur?
Now you can see the video is quite clear. Also the information in the video is really very precise. So it will really help you when you want to understand YouTube, or you can say other information in a short time. NotebookLM is really very powerful tool for learning if you want to do some learning in a very short time. So this is really something that can help you and also save your time. So you can also download this video. There is two options. First one is share, and also there is another option. You can click on that and you can download your video just like this. So you can use this video for, you can say, for YouTube channel if you want to do, and also you can use for other purposes for your own understanding. If you think you learned something here, if you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.